Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the video today I will walk you through one of the mock project related to product management. So this is part of Udacity product management nano degree program. So for the first module, uh, we have to look into viability of creating career growth platform as a product on LinkedIn. So so the background of this is like currently LinkedIn has more than 1.1 billion active members globally who leverage the platform to network with different professionals and companies. This data is from web, and what we are doing is we are uh, trying to augment the feature on LinkedIn. Other than only networking, we are also providing a platform for career growth, uh, which can enable our large user base an opportunity to upgrade their skill set to further thrive in competitive job markets. So what we are saying basically is don't just build network, but thrive in your career with us. So the business case is like these data which we have gathered from LinkedIn research only. So basically, in the current market scenario, 97% of HR and staffing professionals use LinkedIn in their recruiting efforts. And it has been noted that candidates with a comprehensive LinkedIn profile in sync with the industry trends have 71% higher chance of getting a job interview. So this is something which compelled any candidates or any users of LinkedIn to have a very updated LinkedIn profile, uh, which should be aligned with the industry, latest industry trends, and uh, any buzzword which is very common in the industry. So the opportunity which we look at is as out of over a billion members on LinkedIn, around 60% of them are in the age group of 25 to 34, and this is the age group which we are trying to target because more than 70% of these members want to get jobs with higher pay, but they lack clear roadmap about which skills to hone and upgrade themselves. There are multiple edtech platform currently, like Coursera and edX. Coursera, like for example, they have an annual revenue of 700 million USD, and they are showing a year-on-year growth of 9.3 percentage. So it is one of the leading firm. So these young members often have to research on themselves and try to find out like what exactly they should go pursue, or what skill sets they should hone. So our proposal is we aim to provide a service for detailed profile assessment through our platform, and consequently a roadmap which can have a relevant courses and timeline to all these members for their career growth and enabling them to showcase their learned skills on LinkedIn. So what exactly we can do is like we we can have software development for assessing different profile and suggesting relevant courses. So two broad categories where we are supposed to make investment is cost of software, which would enable the assessment of all these profiles, and L&D personnel cost, which L&D personnel for creating some standard parameters on which the assessment should be done, and then suggesting the relevant courses for those profiles. So outcome which we are expecting is increased engagement with particularly young members group who actively look for new job opportunity. So currently there are around 600 million users, out of which 57% are male and 43% are female. The measurement criteria will be very simple. We have to track the number of members who are availing the services of profile assessment with the special membership fee. Uh, we can propose kind of a different membership. If somebody has a premium service, premium membership, it should be included in that, which is around $30 per month. But other than that, we can have a separate membership thing, with $20 for 6 months validity. So this is just a proposed pricing at the time. Like we can further modify it going ahead. Now, as a competitors, there's not any direct competitor to say because LinkedIn, the the kind of platform which LinkedIn is, where we have the option to connect with everybody professionally. We, if we add this additional feature of working on uh, enabling members to help them to grow in their career further, then Coursera should be one of our competitors. It's a leading ed tech platform in the world, and they have a revenue of around 700 million USD, which we already discussed before. The key features are that they are very specialized in offering online updated AI/ML courses, along with the business courses like marketing, finance, etc. And they have an affiliation from a lot of leading universities like Stanford, UC Berkeley, and others. In many courses, they have audit option, like any interested learners can go through the courses without paying anything, with limited or no access to projects or assignments. And they have a two model where each course has certain fee where somebody can buy the course or buy the subscription of the course, monthly subscription, and they can go through that course. And alternatively, they can also have a Coursera membership, which which provides them the option to go through any of these courses. If they have the membership where they are paying a certain amount monthly, they can have the access to any program. So advantages which we have vis-a-vis any other competitors is like we have the advantage of assessing wide network of professionals objectively to list down top skills required for certain jobs. So, and what we are planning is the course, the recommendation which we plan to give. It can be shared through link to any other edtech platform like Coursera, or going ahead, we can with our in-house trained L&D team, we can also develop our own tutorial videos, short videos, and provide certification of completion. With LinkedIn, there is certainly an advantage where individuals can showcase the learned skill to the network of professionals or any prospective companies which individuals are targeting through LinkedIn. So, where do we go from here? What we plan is targeting young members on LinkedIn with these services, enabling them to upgrade themselves. Right. Out of 600 million users, if we reasonably get even 10% of them in the first year, then with $20 fees, we can augment revenues by around $1.2 billion. So the service include three broad themes. Uh, so first would be profile assessment through trained L&D professional. So everything would start with the profile assessment where using our software developed with L&D and tech team, we would be analyzing the profile and looking at all the skill gaps, and we'll compare it with the current industry trends. And then in the second part, the recommendation of the skill sets and suggested courses would be done. It can be done on any affiliated platform. We can also build some partnership with any edtech platform like Coursera or edX. And gradually, we also plan to have our in-house tutorial videos. And in the third part, even after the completion of course from any other platform, we can create a kind of a test of certificate just to enable the uh, just to enable the professional to further solidify their understanding of any new skill set. So as we discussed, first would be profile assessment, where through trained L&D professional, we plan to identify the skills which can help individuals to grow their career. Second would be guiding members through relevant courses. Uh, we we have to provide them all the relevant link where they can go and complete the course. And we also can have the option of rewarding the individuals who complete the suggested course, maybe through some badge or something which they can showcase on LinkedIn. And last is post completion test. crafting test with well-trained internal L&D team. It can help the professional to to solidify their learnings, and also it can help uh, them to connect better with LinkedIn, and it will eventually it will increase the engagement for our platform. So what, yeah, as we discussed, like once we have a considerable uh, target audience with the paid service, we can further develop our in-house training videos for different tech and non-tech skill sets and directly cater to the members rather than any affiliate partners in form of other ed tech platforms. So yeah, this was the pitch presentation for this particular platform. Thank you for watching.